Rincon Hondo Cesar. Good morning, teacher. I am from Colombia, Rincon Hondo. Presento documento de identidad. General information. Where did visit? Where did aims? Where did selling? Welcome a Rincon. Language: Spanish. Climate: Words. Divisa: Colombia peso. Transport: motorcycles, taxis. Where did visit? River State Mule. A good places did and house with family. Central places Spain applied afternoon child with families and friends. Meraki's house and house is village. Where is staying AM? Recommend places. Restaurant take corners. And oil. Fish in windows. Stay with fish. Luis Rancho Restaurant. Creole chicken sandwich. Stewed rabbits, Guartinaja, Venison. Western Silence. Beautiful passion. Rest with family. Royal House Hotel. Confortables and pleasant Torres and Spain vacations. Thank you very much.